Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off and unplugging the laptop. Remove any external drives and the battery if it's removable. Once done, ground yourself. Static will kill components, so touch a metal chassis or wear a wrist strap. Next, flip the laptop and remove the screws securing the service panel. Keep screws organized in a tray or labeled tape so you can reverse the process later. Make sure you know whether the SSD sits under a panel or the whole bottom cover comes off before proceeding. Once the cover is off, identify the SSD type, M. 2 sticks to the motherboard, 2. 5-inch sits in a caddy. For M, 2, remove the single standoff screw, then tilt the module up and pull it straight out of the slot. For a 2. 5-inch drive, remove the caddy screws and slide the drive away from the SATA connector. If it's padded, lift gently. Keep screws separate and note connector orientation. Don't yank or twist the drive, because pins and connectors are fragile. You now reverse the disassembly. Reseat any cables, replace the drive into its slot or caddy, secure screws, and reinstall the cover and battery. Boot into BIOS or your OS to confirm the drive appears. If it does, you're done. If not detected, power down, reseat the SSD firmly, inspect the connector for bent pins, and try a different slot or adapter. Sometimes the issue is the bracket or cable rather than the drive. If data matters, use a USB adapter to recover before further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.